normally would be the last day of the trading month. However, it is a leap year, so we will have one more day in the month of February, and then we'll have a fresh batch of monthly candlesticks in which to analyze. Now, that doesn't mean we can't start, looking at a few here and there, but I will remind you that tomorrow we have some really important inflation numbers coming out, the core PCE and the PCE index on a monthly and yearly time frame will be released, and I think that markets are kind of holding on until that. I mean, right now it still looks bullish and risk on. Bitcoin just absolutely exploding. It's rallied over $10,000 over the last 3 days. Just honestly exceeded my expectations. I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing or not. I've been scaled out of most of my crypto positions. I sold the rest of my Coinbase yesterday. I trimmed my Ethereum trust position even more yesterday, but it just continues to rip higher. And so, as long as that's happening, I have a tough time believing that stocks are going to um, collapse or drop meaningfully here if a risk asset like Bitcoin is bidding the way it is. So we'll look at that. I do want to run a small cap screen today because the Russell 2000 is showing some relative strength, but I think it ultimately comes down to how we close the month out tomorrow after the inflation numbers. It can be a pretty big move following that. We had GDP revised downward slightly today. It was kind of a non-event in markets so far. So we'll keep an eye on those inflation numbers and see how we close out in the month.